Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute. It's been like 3 weeks since I've filmed a video. I had the flu and then I had midterms and then I went on spring break to Miami with my best friend and it was so much fun. And so today I'm going to show you how to get effortless beach waves by putting a little bit of effort in. I get so many questions on how I curl my hair and like how I get the natural beachy waves and things like that. So today I'm going to show you like the products that I use and the curling iron that I use, so that way you can achieve this like beachy, effortless, natural, wavy look. So if you want to learn how to achieve natural beachy waves, then just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. I'm Alex. Welcome. If you are not new here, thank you so much for watching and welcome back. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get all of our situation together. So most of the time I'm in my bathroom and I'm like doing my hair really fast. Like I can do this hairstyle in like 10 minutes flat. And while I was actually on spring break, my best friend Keely, she wanted me to curl her hair every single day while we were there. So I mean, I curled my hair really fast one day and she's like, oh my god, how did you get your hair to curl like that? And I was like, well, hold on, just let me do it really quick. And I curled her hair, and so I ended up curling her hair every single day. So, Keel, if you don't remember how to curl your hair, this one is for you, homegirl. This one is for you. What we're going to do is I have this Hot Tools extra long barrel curling iron, and it's ceramic, and I got this at Sally's, I believe. And I think you can get it at Ulta too, but for Amazon. It's just Hot Shot Tools, and it's a 1-inch barrel. I use this to make I like the extra long barrel because I feel like it can let me get closer to the root and I don't have to like sit there and curl the rest of my hair. I do have long hair, so if you have short hair you can do it with a smaller barrel. It doesn't really matter. I just like the larger barrel myself because it's easier for me to use. My hair is like, I have really fine, like super soft hair, and I just washed it today, and most of the time like right when I wash my hair I go ahead and curl it so it can like start getting kind of gritty and dirty, because other than that my hair is gonna like stick straight to my face. So what I'm going to do first is actually spray some dry shampoo, and I did prep my hair before this, so like how you prep your hair really does make a difference. So what I did after I washed my hair is I sprayed Big Sexy argan oil on it, and then I sprayed Bumble and Bumble thickening spray, and I also sprayed the Kenra blow dry spray. So those are the 3 things that I used before I blow dried my hair, and it really just gives it some protection and it makes it soft. And so I'm going to take this IGK Jet Lag Invisible Dry Shampoo, and I love that this is invisible because I have really dark hair, and if I put too much dry shampoo in my hair then it starts looking chalky and like I have gray in my hair, which luckily I don't have that yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this part of my hair, I'm just going to section it off, and I'm going to spray some of this dry shampoo in here just for some grit. And I'm just going to do this all around my hair, and I'm just going to spray some in. This will also make your curls last longer too. So, and I'm not a hairstylist. I just want to throw that out there. I'm not a professional hairstylist. I just have fun doing hair and makeup, and I wanted to share this with you all because people ask me how to do it all the time. So I'm just going to keep spraying this around. And my hair gets really oily very quickly, and because it's thin too, it shows. So this dry shampoo is one of my favorites. I like this one or the Living Proof. The Living Proof dry shampoo is really good. Like if you're very active and you go to the gym a lot and stuff like that, the Living Proof is bomb. I love that one. Okay, so now that I have put some dry shampoo in my hair, I'm going to go ahead and start curling. So I don't have, well actually I got to put this heat protectant on. I use the Way Memory Mist, and this is what it looks like. This is just a heat protectant spray, and it makes your curls like last so much longer. I feel like if I put this on my hair, my curls are going to last at least 2 to 3 days. So I'm just going to go ahead and I spray it all around. I mean, you can spray per strand, but like I'm more of a just kind of like stick it all on there at the same time kind of girl. So I just am going to go ahead and spray this on, and I'm going to start by, I've already heated up my curling iron, and it's on 400. I don't turn it all the way up to 450 because my hair is fine. I don't want to like singe it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and just grab a piece of hair. I don't like section my hair off. This is what works for me and how I do it the quickest. So I'm going to show y'all how I get these. You don't really want any hair that's larger than your barrel so you can get even curls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this and I'm gonna roll it to the root, but I'm gonna leave the ends out. If you have naturally curly hair and you want this look, I recommend like straightening your hair first so that way your ends can be straight. Or if you have like flippy outies or anything like that, you can take a straightener to them, or just take your curler on and just run it through the ends. And then I rotate the ways that I curl. So I curled that one away from my face, so I'm going to take this one and I'm going to curl it towards my face. And I'm just going to go ahead and go all the way to the root again, and I'm leaving it out, and then I'm going to pull down. When you do that pulling motion, it kind of like loosens up the curl. So if your curl is too tight, just remember like these are hot curls, so you can still kind of finagle them if you want to. So all you have to do is just take it and just pull if it's a little tighter than you want, and it'll pull a little bit of the curl out. So I just continue just going around and curling my hair, leaving the ends out. And I just make sure I get really close to the root, because that's where you want most of your volume. You don't want most of your volume at the bottom of your hair. Like if I was going to do a regular curl, you'd want most of the volume at the bottom of your hair, and I want most of the volume at the top. And I'm only leaving this in here for like a split second because I don't want to singe my hair, and I want that natural, effortless look. And for my bangs, I just do the same thing. I just pull it out a little bit so it'll frame my face. When I'm like curling around my face, I always curl away. I'm not like a towards the face kind of girl, so I'm just gonna keep curling. And just like I said, you don't have to curl every single piece. Like I'm not gonna curl every single piece of my hair. I'm just grabbing the ones that I want, and I'm gonna split that one into two. And then this one I wanna curl towards my face. And a lot of people have trouble with using a normal curling iron, which is so crazy to me because I think wands are harder to use, but I learned how to curl my hair with like a curling iron with a clamp on it. If you've never curled your hair with a clamp on it, you can do this hairstyle with a wand. Just like I'll give you an example. I can use this as a wand. Sorry. I can use this as a wand. So what I'm gonna do is just wrap my hair around it just like I would a wand. But I'm gonna hold the ends. So I'm gonna focus more on the root, and I'm just gonna hold the ends out and then let it go. See, I mean, like you can do literally the exact same look. If you're not comfortable with a clamp, you don't really have to be. You can use a wand. Everybody does their hair differently, and this is just how I curl my hair. So if you all wanna adopt my methods, then go for it. If not, cool. That's fine too. But I basically just do the same thing all over my hair. I mean, there's really no rhyme or reason. It's just I grab them, and like when I'm curling the back of my hair, I just pull all my hair to, like I split it right down the middle and pull it to the sides, because I feel like I can get all my hair curled like that. Plus, I don't even care if all of my hair is curled. I really just want the top of it to be curled, and then some of the bottom pieces, if it's sticking out, curl it. It doesn't really matter. And I've heard a lot of people complain like if their hair is long, they can't do this hairstyle. Like how your hair is cut does make a difference. So if you have hair that is very thick and heavy, your curls are going to be more apt to fall out because your hair's pulling it down. So I do have a blunt cut thanks to Heather Brown, and she colors my hair too. But I asked her for a blunt cut because I felt like my curls were falling too easily, and it just got on my nerves because every time I try to curl my hair, like it'd be like an hour, my hair would fall. And my hair always holds curl really well. I'm gonna go ahead and curl this side off camera, and then I'll be back to show you how I style my hair. So I'll be right back. So I'm gonna let this side of my hair is cool. This side is not. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna spray some of this texturizing hairspray on it, and this is by Way, and this is like a dry shampoo and hairspray in one. So while I spray this, I'm kind of gonna take my fingers and just kind of comb through. So I'm just gonna spray this all over my head, and then on the other side, since this is cooled, I'm gonna spray it just like that. Now that I have it sprayed, what I'm gonna do is just take my fingers and kind of just comb through it a little. So the style part of this look is the most important, especially, if you have hair that's harder to manage. Like my hair, I can really do like anything with it. It doesn't really matter. It kind of behaves unless it's greasy, and then it's just usually in braids. Okay, so I have this pretty well combed out. You don't want any like turd curls or anything like that. Nobody likes a turd curl, okay? No one. Now that I got the texturizing spray on there, I'm going to go ahead and put some, this is Kenra Dry Thickening Spray. If you have fine hair, you will love it. Like if you have thin, fine hair, my hair's not really thin, it's just really fine and really soft. So this gives your hair some grit, and it also like really thickens it up and makes it look full. So I'm gonna just spray this all over my head basically. it already feels thicker, honestly. Like, and I don't put a firm hold hairspray on my hair. That's another thing. I hate for my hair to feel sticky. I can't stand it. I can't stand for hairsprays and things like that when I spray them on my hair. I cannot stand for them to make my hair feel like extremely sticky and gross. I hate it. And none of these products make your hair feel sticky. So if you're one of those people like me that you don't like the sticky feeling of like super firm hold hairspray, then you'll like all these products. So now what I want to do is put some IGK Beach texture spray in here. So I'm going in with all the texture because my hair is... I really can't ever get through one video without them like going crazy. So now I'm going to spray some of this beach texture spray. And basically this just says spray wherever you like your hair to look beachy. So basically everywhere. So what I want to do is just spray this through too. Basically more so on the bottoms of my hair instead of the top because I already got all kinds of junk in the top. And then I just take this and kind of like scrunch up my hair. Just like, I know y'all lived through the early 2000s. I hope some of y'all probably did. And you remember scrunching your hair with the mousse. Well, my hair was straight as a stick, but I still wanted to scrunch it. So just act like you're scrunching your hair. So I've used sea salt spray before. Like when I was at the beach, I used the sea salt spray. And I really like that too. But it does dry my scalp out a little bit. And my scalp's already peeling because it got burnt. So, but anywho, yeah. So my scalp's already peeling because it got burnt. And yeah, I'm basically done with this hair look. It looks pretty beachy to me. I really like the effortless, like natural look of beach waves. And this is just a really easy, quick way. Like, it's literally only taken me 7 minutes to curl my whole head and style it. I think that's pretty good. So for hairspray, I use this Amica Touchable Hairspray. I get this at the salon in town. It's called iStyle. And they sell Amica products, but I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. If I'm butchering that name, I apologize. It looks like this, and it has cute little flowers on it. I know they sell this at Sephora, and I think Ulta too. But this is just, makes your hair hold, but it doesn't make it sticky. Because like I said, I hate sticky stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray this all over. And it smells really good too. But it's looking pretty good right now, so I'm happy with how this hairstyle looks. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to be notified when I upload new videos, just click that notification bell and it'll notify you when I upload them. If you all enjoy tutorials like this, please let me know. I really enjoy making them. I will never wait 3 weeks again to make a video because I enjoy making it and I miss it so much. But other than that, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye. Ouch. Well, you get back there. Get crazy, get wild. I'm so wavy, I'm so wavy. I miss you guys so much, okay?